intro of my life.
Well, good afternoon and welcome to the Chevrolet display here at the 2013 New York International Auto Show. My name is Mitch, I'm a Chevrolet product specialist, and I am here to give you the latest information on this new generation of half-ton pickup truck, the 2014 Silverado. New from hood to hitch, we're building off of 95 years of proud truck building heritage, and we're bringing you a half-ton pickup truck that is stronger, that is smarter, and that is more capable than ever before. Stick with me for the next few minutes. Here are the highlights on this all-new 2014 Silverado. So first of all, as soon as you take a look at the vehicle, you notice this is a far more muscular look. We do have these new squared-off wheel wells to go along with a new taller power dome hood, giving the vehicle a very strong, substantial stance. We have a great new interpretation of the Chevrolet dual-port grille. These horizontal slats actually a nice kind of throwback retro design to some previous generations of Silverado from the 1980s. And then we also have the classic Silverado stacked headlamps, and we have gone back to the full chrome bumper, giving the vehicle a great big aggressive stance. But you know what? Not all the changes on this exterior are for just looks. We've been able to dramatically improve the aerodynamics on this new 2014 Silverado, reducing wind drag by 5%. That not only means better fuel economy on the highway, but it also means less wind noise inside your cabin. In fact, we've made a number of aerodynamic changes and acoustic changes specifically to reduce noise on the inside of this vehicle, and you will find it to be the quietest Silverado that you've ever had the chance to drive in. But of course, this is a new half-ton pickup truck. You want to know what's going on under the hood? Well, we have a whole new generation of engines for you. They're called the Ecotec 3, and they are Generation 5 engines. All three of them, a V6 and two V8s. They're all going to be utilizing variable valve timing. They're all going to be utilizing a new generation of active fuel management, but the big change here is running direct injection in every single new Silverado engine. We're running at higher compression ratios, and we are going to be putting out significantly more horsepower and torque on each of these engines, even the base V6 model. In fact, we know that's going to be happening. We have larger rear axles. They've increased in size from 8.5 inches up to 9.5 and 9.75 inches, and that's generally a great indicator of an improvement in power coming out of this vehicle. We don't have official numbers for you just yet. They will be announced shortly, but we are excited to release them, especially as we get closer to releasing this great big truck coming out in June. These will start to arrive on dealership lots by June of this year. We'll start with the crew cabs, and then the regular cabs and extended cabs will become available later through the year. Now, all three of those brand new engines will be attached to 6-speed automatic transmissions, no more 4 speeds. We are looking at smooth rides and good fuel economy. Another big factor contributing to a smooth ride, though, will be our new shear-style body mounts. There's 3 of them on extended cabs and crew cabs, and they're the actual connection between the frame of the truck and the cab, absorbing motion in many different directions, whereas some trucks on the highway develop a bit of a hop and a shake because of the beaming and the concrete. These new trucks are going to be some of the smoothest Silverados you ever had the chance to drive. Now, of course, not all the changes to this truck are just on the mechanics. We also have one big source of change that I haven't mentioned at all, the interior. We have completely redone the interior on this 2014 Silverado. It's more comfortable than ever before. It's quieter. It's got great new technology, but you know what? I'm not going to touch on those details. My buddy Greg over here, he's going to be doing a presentation in just a minute or two on this exposed Silverado interior buck, going through those details. But before I turn it over to him, I do want to tell you about some of the new convenient features of this truck bed. New for 2014, you can now get a Silverado crew cab not only with the shorter 5-foot 8-inch bed, now you can even get it with a full 6.5-foot bed. That is something that a lot of people have been asking for, a lot of people have been waiting for, and we are proud to offer that option now for the 2014 model year. We've also got some great features back here, like standard bed railing with available bed rail lighting, LED lighting underneath. Makes it very handy when you're looking for that early morning fishing equipment. We also have some handy innovative features like the corner step bumper here, making it very easy to just boost yourself up into the truck bed. Notice it's just a step, very easy to maintain. It's not a complex feature, and it should be great for years and years of easy boosting up into the truck bed. And then finally back here, you will notice that when I drop that tailgate, it slowly lowers down. There is no slamming tailgate. That's our Easy Lift tailgate technology. It uses a rotary damper to gradually ease the tailgate down, and it's also easier than ever to pull that tailgate up thanks to the assistance from a torsion bar that twists on the way down. Finally, and this is the real finally, if you do tow, we have both 7 and 4 pin connections back here, really increasing the convenience of towing. In fact, you may not need to use a conversion plug the next time you go to plug in your boat or your trailer. Thank you very much for listening. This is the absolute beginning of the details on this new 2014 Silverado. There's a lot more that we have yet to release, but at the moment, if you would like to learn about the revolutionary changes that we have made on this new truck interior, then Greg over here is going to tell you all about it. Greg, you ready to tell them about the interior? All right, well then take it away.
Okay, I'm happy to because it's kind of fun. Yeah, the truck's been changed, interior and exterior.